Okay, what we got here is a 2005 Subaru Outback XT factory stock turbocharger, IHI unit, VF40 series, and the turbocharger is bad. I'll show you why. The guy was complaining about a rattling sound at idle, and luckily he was smart enough to turn the vehicle off as soon as he heard the noise, and so far so good on the engine. You can see this compressor side turbine blade. That amount of movement is not normal. It should have hardly any movement, at least none that we picked up on video. And I'll show you the exhaust side. You can see the turbine on the exhaust side. It's supposed to spin around. Not like that. This one's so badly damaged that the blades actually made contact with the exhaust housing sidewall, and there's scuffing and scarring that occurred, and we have massive amounts of oil in the exhaust housing. So we're going to take it apart and see what it looks like on the inside.